Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where cars drive themselves and where we can travel seamlessly between different modes of transportation. Good day, everyone. My name is Erin Reza Upo, and today I'm going to talk about the exciting world of artificial intelligence in transportation. Let's start by defining what AI is. It's essentially a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of performing tasks that usually requires human intelligence. AI systems can learn, reason, solve problems, and make decisions, often mimicking or even surpassing human cognitive abilities. So here we have key concepts of AI, which are the computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. So computer vision, it is an area of AI that enables computers to see and interpret visual data such as images and videos. Computer vision powers applications like facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous vehicles. Then next is the machine learning. So it is a subset of AI that focuses on enabling machines to learn from data without explicit programming. ML ML algorithms identify patterns and make predictions or decisions based on the data they process. Think of it like teaching a machine to recognize a cat in a picture by showing it many examples of cat and non-cats. And then the third one is deep learning. It is a subset of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural networks inspired by the human brain structure to learn complex patterns from large amounts of data. Deep learning power deep learning power powers many modern AI applications, including image recognition and natural language processing and speech synthesis. And lastly is the natural language processing. It is a field of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. NLP powers applications like chatbots, language translations, and text analysis. Next are the types of AI. We have narrow AI, general AI, and the super AI. So first is narrow AI. It is referred to as weak AI. It is the most common type of AI today. Narrow AI systems are designed to perform specific tasks within a limited domain. Examples include voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, image recognition software, and the spam filters. And then next is general AI, referred to as the strong AI. It is a theoretical type of AI that would possess human level intelligence and the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. General AI systems would be able to learn and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks and situations similar to how humans adapt to new challenges. While there is ongoing research and development, general AI does not yet exist. And then next is super AI. It is a hypothetical type of AI that would surpass human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem solving, and general wisdom. Super AI is a concept that remains purely in the realm of science fiction. In essence, AI is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. From enhancing our daily routines to tackling complex scientific challenges, AI is already making a significant impact and its future holds exciting possibilities. Next is the importance of AI in transportation. AI's impact on transportation is multifaceted, leading to significant improvements in safety, efficiency, and sustainability. So first, we have enhanced safety. AI-powered systems are revolutionizing road safety by enabling vehicles to perceive their surroundings, react to hazards, and make decisions faster than humans. Autonomous vehicles equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms can detect potential collisions, adjust speed, and even take evasive maneuvers, significantly reducing accidents caused by human error. And next is the increased efficiency. So AI increased efficiency because it optimizes traffic flow, reduces congestions, and improves fuel efficiency. Smart traffic management systems are analyze real-time data to adjust signal timings, optimize routes, and provide dynamic guidance to drivers. This not only reduces travel time but also minimizes fuel consumption and emissions, leading to a more sustainable transportation system. And the next one is it improves accessibility. So AI can make transportation more accessible to people with disabilities or limited mobility. So autonomous vehicles and smart mobility services offer flexible and convenient options for those who may not be able to drive themselves. This promotes inclusivity and expands transportation options for a broader population. And the next one is it enhances sustainability. So AA plays a crucial role in reducing the environmental impact of transportation by optimizing routes, promoting fuel efficiency, and facilitating the integration of electric vehicles and shared mobility services. AI contributes to a greener and more sustainable transportation system. Then next is the economic growth. AI is driving innovation and creating new jobs in the transportation sector. This stimulates economic growth, fosters competitiveness, and opens new opportunities for businesses and individuals. Next is the challenges of artificial intelligence in transportation. While AI offers significant potential, its implementation in transportation also presents challenges that needs to be addressed. So the first one is data quality and availability. AI algorithms require vast amounts of high quality data for training and testing. However, transportation systems often lack the necessary data, which is often siloed, incomplete, or inconsistent. Next is technical complexity. Integrating AI technologies with existing transportation infrastructure can be complex and require significant expertise. This involves seamlessly connecting various systems, sensors, and technologies, which can be challenging and time consuming. The third one is regulation and ethical considerations. The development and deployment of AI in transportation raise ethical and legal concerns. Issues like data privacy, cybersecurity, and liability in case of accidents need to be addressed through clear regulations and ethical frameworks. Then the next one is the public acceptance and trust. Public perception and trust in AI powered transportation systems, especially autonomous vehicles, are crucial for widespread adoption. Addressing concerns about safety, security, and job displacement is essential for building public confidence. And the last one is cost implementation. Developing and deploying AI solutions in transportation can be expensive, requiring significant investments in hardware, software, and infrastructure. This can be a barrier for smaller transportation companies or developing companies. The next one is streamlining operations and reducing costs in transportation using artificial intelligence. AI offers powerful tools for streamlining operations and reducing costs in the transportation industry. So first one is route optimization. AI algorithms analyzes real-time traffic data, weather conditions, and historical travel patterns to determine the most efficient routes for vehicles. This minimizes travel time, fuel consumption, and operational costs. Next is fleet management. AI-powered fleet management systems track vehicle location, optimize routes, schedule maintenance, and monitor driver behavior. This improves efficiency, reduces downtime, and lowers operating costs. Next is the predictive maintenance. AI analyzes sensor data from vehicles to predict potential failures and schedule maintenance before problems occur. This prevents breakdowns, increases vehicle uptime, and reduces maintenance costs. The next one is demand forecasting. AI analyzes historical data and market trends to predict future demand for transportation services. This enables companies to optimize resource allocation, manage inventory levels, and avoid overstocking or stockouts. The last one is automated license plate recognition. AI-powered ALPR systems automate license plate reading for traffic enforcement, toll collection, and parking management. This improves efficiency, reduces human error, and streamlines operations. By embracing AI, the transportation industry can achieve significant improvements in efficiency, safety, and sustainability. However, addressing the challenges related to data, technology, regulation, and public acceptance is crucial for the successful implementation of AI in transportation. Next is the future trends in AI and transportation. AI is set to play a transformative role in the transportation sector, from autonomous vehicles to innovative concepts like flying cars and the hyperloops. These advancements promise to reshape how we travel and manage traffic. So, first is autonomous vehicles. Advancements in self-driving cars, trucks, delivery drones, and ships will transform logistics. Except, expect enhanced sensor technology, improved AI algorithms, and robust cybersecurity for safety. Next is the flying cars and air taxis. The development of electric vertical takeoff vehicles could vehicles could revolutionize urban transport. AI will enhance air traffic management, collision avoidance, and optimize flight routes through challenges in infrastructure and regulations remain. Next is the hyperloops. High-speed vacuum tube systems aim to connect cities rapidly. AI will optimize efficiency, manage passenger flow, and ensure safety while overcoming engineering and economic challenges. Next is smart traffic management. AI systems will analyze real-time traffic data to enhance flow, reduce congestion, and improve safety, utilizing adaptive signals and intelligent routing. And the last one is sustainable transportation. AI will promote greener transport through optimized route planning and improved vehicle efficiency and the development of smart charging infrastructure for electrical vehicles. So, to sum it all up, the AI revolution in transportation promises significant advancement marked by enhanced safety through autonomous systems and smart traffic management, increased logistics and urban mobility efficiency, and greater sustainability through optimized routes and electric vehicle infrastructure. These improvements are not merely technological advancement but crucial for public well-being, economic growth, and environmental protection. However, realizing this vision requires addressing challenges such as regulatory hurdles, infrastructure development, public acceptance of autonomous systems, and ensuring robust cybersecurity and data privacy. So let's end this with a quote: driving the future for transportation, one intelligent mile at a time. Thank you, everyone. Once again, I'm Erin Reza Ogpo from BSO at 3E.